Hello and welcome to 9SEM. My name is Telip Kumar Pradhan, and today in this video we will discuss about the plumbing system. So what is plumbing system? Plumbing is a system of pipes and fixtures installed in a building for the distribution of fluids, that is water, air, etc. Let's discuss some importance of plumbing. Plumbing is used to ensure safe delivery of water. Clean water usage is made possible only through plumbing, which is often taken for granted. It brings comfort and beauty to our living, as we are able to use it in several functional areas like kitchen, bathroom, etc. Plumbing industry also today holds a strong economic importance, as it provides job opportunities and livelihood for many. Lack of safe and affordable water supply leads to a number of waterborne diseases and viruses. According to World Health Organization, 1.4 million children die due to such disease every year. Untreated human waste and fecal matter are responsible for this, which is why plumbing holds so much importance. March 11 is observed as World Plumbing Day globally, as plumbing plays such an important role in our day-to-day life, ensuring our health and safety. Even though awareness has been raised about the importance of plumbing services and its usage, there still remains some facts and figures which drive our attention to its importance. Even today, 40% of the world does not have access to sanitary services, and about 1.1 billion people still defecate in this modern generation. So these facts and figures gather enough evidence as to why it is so important to use plumbing services and the role of plumbing industry in our life. Let's come to plumbing working principle. So plumbing uses basically the law of nature like gravity and pressure. The plumbing system is composed of two basic subsystems. One brings in the fresh water while the other throws out the wastewater. When designing or remodeling decisions are being made, then one more area needs to be looked very carefully, and that is plumbing system of the building. So plumbing system of a home or any building carries much importance and requires special attention by professional during designing. This is something which is if ignored or poorly designed can cause serious problems for residents. Plumbing system have two main purposes, that is, it carries clean water inside the building that is used for cleaning, washing or other clean purpose for human use, and the other purpose is to take wastewater out through pipes. Now, if the overall system is put correctly into the place, then water coming in and out can be managed easily without having any problem. But if it is not designed up to the mark, then there will be sewage problem like clog or sewage backup, etc. So there are mainly three types of plumbing system that should be taken into consideration while making plumbing system plan. So the first one is potable water system, the second one is sanitary drainage system, and the third one is stormwater drainage system. So in potable water system, this system is related to incoming water through pipes for regular use. It is managed through valves and that can be opened or closed depending on the need of usage. Then come to sanitary drainage system. In this system, the waste material of any sort is drained through pipe under this system, and it is normally connected to the underground for taking waste product. Then come to stormwater drainage system. So this system requires other pipeline system for taking rainwater out of the building. So by knowing this system, it shows how much important sanitary and plumbing system has and how much attention it requires for its construction. A good system will keep things out of tension, whereas a bad one will create constant tension for everyone and will require costly professional help. So in our further video, we will get into details. Thank you.